Guys, all right.
Cancel. Formats. Button. Comment. Finish. Button.
This is gonna be quick tonight. This morning, okay, guys. So I'm doing a little bit of a meal here this morning, and for those of you, I just get the ice in there. All right. I got my milk. I already have my almond milk in there, and I'm gonna do a little meal replacement today, guys, and 2 scoops of this meal replacement, which is really awesome. This is like a morning meal and a midday meal if you want to make it that. Alright, so I'm going to add that to that really quickly, guys, this morning. Not going to be talking too much today. This is very simple, a very simple quick meal. If you guys are headed to work and you want to make something really fast. Okay, I got the milk. I got I added a little piece of banana today because I want a little tasty banana in there. And I've got my Ninja thing here. All right, it's actually really good. It's quick. All right, I think I spilled some of the powder here. All right, meal replacement: milk, ice, a little piece of banana. Sometimes I add sometimes I add strawberries. All right, but today it's just simple because it's quick. Okay, now here's what happens. It's sometimes I do the chocolate. Sometimes I do the vanilla or the strawberry. My favorite is strawberry, but I sometimes mix them too. 1 scoop of strawberry, 1 scoop of chocolate, or 1 scoop of chocolate and vanilla. So anyway, I alternate these. Okay, guys? So let's get it going here. Let's get it going. Think about this. How long it takes to make a meal. Alright, guys, I got about 8 ounces of milk in here. A little bit more maybe just to make it a little bit watery because I like it a little bit, I don't like it too thick. I've got 4 cubes of ice, and I've got 2 scoops of the meal replacement that I do every morning, and sometimes I do it in the midday because I don't want to prepare a meal. This is a complete meal, guys, and you get all the nutrients, all the minerals, all the protein, everything you need. So that's everything I need every morning. This, for those of you who are wondering what I do in the morning before I get to my projects and the things that I'm doing, is have my meal replacement. It's fun. It's awesome. I love it. It gets me started in the morning, right before the energy begins to start. So this gives me what I need. Of course, I take my supplements every day. Guys, supplements are important. I do my minerals, my omegas. I do my vitamin C, everything that I need every morning. You know what? Because you can't get that from all the meals that you get every day. So that's my morning kind of thing today, guys. My shake. All right. And I'll probably come back later and talk a little bit more about something else that I'm doing. But if you guys can see this, I'm going to take the camera off here. This is the blender here. It's a Ninja, but it's a bigger one. And I use it every day. It's been a savior for me. And I do a meal replacement at least once a day because sometimes it takes too long to prepare a meal. And this is a great way to do it, guys. That's what I do in the morning sometimes, guys. All right, hold on a second.
Comment section. Gloria Brendan Sifone is watching.
Hey, Gloria, how are you? How are you doing, Gloria?
Brendan Sifone is watching.
What you doing up so early? It's probably around 5 o'clock in the morning in California.
Brendan Sifone is watching.
Brendan.
Tyler D. Diaz is watching.
Oye, Reddy, ¿cómo estás?
Rainbows Amaya is watching.
Hey, Ramos.
Formats. Button. Create. Flip. Flash. Invite. Invite to go. Comment. Finish. Button.
All right, guys, have a great day. That's my meal for today. Not for today, but for the morning. Take care, and hope to see you all on the other side. I'll be back later on, probably tonight or tomorrow, to talk a little bit more about why I take these meals, guys. It's important to have a full meal every day. especially for breakfast. Take care, guys. Have a good one.